Hello everyone, and welcome to Power Pages Tips. My name is Nicholas Hayduk, and this is tip number 287, Synchronous versus Asynchronous for caching. We've talked recently about caching, and we'll continue that in this tip. Today we're going to talk about how caching can impact the choice between synchronous and asynchronous plugins or workflows. Before we dive into the details, don't forget to subscribe to the Engineered Code YouTube channel for our weekly tips, monthly community calls, and lots of other Power Pages and Power Platform content. A stale cache can cause headaches for Power Pages developers. Caches become stale when the data that is cached no longer reflects the actual data. In Power Pages, this occurs when data is updated in Dataverse without going through the site. In these cases, Power Pages doesn't know to invalidate its cache, and so you might have to wait up to 15 minutes for the cache to reach its timeout limit. If 15 minutes is too long for your application, and you're using plugins or workflows, you might want to consider whether those are running synchronously or asynchronously. Plugins or workflows that run asynchronously are likely to lead to a stale cache, even when the changes that trigger them are done via the Power Pages site. This is because in many cases, queries are made immediately after the initial updates are done, before any asynchronous processes have been run. So even if the cache was invalidated as part of the update, the subsequent query will cause the data before the process is run to be cached. The asynchronous process running after the fact does not cause another cache invalidation to occur, since this is happening in Dataverse and not on the Power Pages site. So, if you're performing critical business logic in a plugin or workflow, you might want to consider making it synchronous. Thanks for watching, and I hope you found the Power Pages tip number 287 on synchronous versus asynchronous for caching useful.